You're watching the best. Fox 10 News at 5.
Cheerleaders, they can be just as prone to injury as the players on the field or on the court. And that's why the American Academy of Pediatrics wants schools to classify cheerleading as a sport. And that change could mean better safety rules, better supervision for these athletes. Anita Roman now live with more. Anita, I remember when I was playing ball, the cheerleaders didn't do much more than a cartwheel every once in a while, but that's changed.
A lot has changed, and Troy, get this, there are 3 million cheerleaders nationwide. About 400 of them cheer for high school, and the rest of them cheer for clubs like this one, Elite Storm in Scottsdale. Check out these stunts they perform, basket tosses. They take concentration, agility, and strength, just like any other sport. And anyone involved in cheerleading says it should be considered one. From a beginner's tumble,
good job,
to a more advanced front flip with a half twist, cheerleading is about more than team spirit.
And it's full contact. I have someone's feet in my hands at one point, head upside down at another.
Owner of Desert Storm Elite, Eric Contreras, coaches upwards of 500 all-star cheerleaders.
I rely on a girl to hold another girl to toss and catch that other girl on the other side of a pyramid.
Common stunts that pose risks include tossing and flipping a cheerleader in the air and creating human pyramids that reach 15 feet high or more. Last year, there were almost 37,000 emergency room visits nationwide for cheerleading injuries among girls aged 6 to 22, 4 times more than in 1980.
Over the past year, I've probably seen 50 to 100 cases of injuries related to sports such as cheerleading.
Dr. Penny Krich treats anything from strains to sprains, even broken necks. She's a strong supporter of designating cheerleading as a sport. So is Sandy Simonson, whose teenage daughter was placed into a medical-induced coma after a squad member accidentally elbowed her in the temple during practice 2 years ago next month.
There needs to be some regulation. There needs to be some safety protocol.
New guidelines will mean cheerleaders will have to condition and undergo physical exams before joining a squad. Small steps that could help prevent a stunt like this one from going wrong. And designating cheerleading a sport would also mean on-site athletic trainers, limits on practice time, and better qualified coaches. And check out these stunts. These are 12 to 18-year-olds doing all this. This takes a lot of practice, a lot of training, and they're always very careful to make sure that they don't get hurt here. No word yet whether or not these recommendations will be accepted. Reporting live, Anita Roman, Fox 10 News.